You know you're an old YouTube channel when your viewers are telling you that your trailer is 7 years old and it's time for a remake. 7 years old? Really? I guess it is 7 years old. Okay, anyway, new trailer. Here we go. Hi, my name is Helen Rennie. I'm a cooking instructor from Boston. On this channel, we don't just talk about how, we talk about why. We don't do things the old-fashioned way, we do things the smart way. We weigh the flour, we use thermometers, we hone the knives, we learn about cookware, salt, acidity, heat management, and everything you need to know to cook and bake well. Oh yeah, my accent is Russian. I hear a lot of my viewers are tormented because they can't figure out where I was born. I was born in Moscow and I grew up in the US. Now that we got that out of the way, let's cook!